It's a bright morning. A young man named Arav walks quickly down the street, late for his job interview. He looks nervous but determined. As the crosses the park, he suddenly noticed something on the ground, a wallet. He picks it up and took around. No one seemed to notice. Inside there is a lot of cash, an ID card, and a photo of a small girl. Arav hesitates. He really needs money. His rent is due and he has eaten properly in 2 days. He sits on a bench, staring at the wallet. His mind fights between right and wrong. Finally, he decides to find the owner. The ID says the name Mr. Sharma with an address nearby. Arav takes a deep breath and starts walking toward it. At the door, a worried old man opens it. Arav explains and hands him the wallet. The man's eyes fill with tears. Thank you, son. This money was for my granddaughter's school fees. Arav smiled softly. He turns to leave, but the old man stopped him. Wait, you look tired. Please come in and have breakfast. Arav hesitates, then nods. Later that day, Arav reaches his interview a few minutes late but with a calm heart. When he enters the office, he is shocked to see Mr. Sharma sitting there. He is the company's owner. Mr. Sharma smiles and says, Welcome, Arav. Honesty is the best qualification. You are hired. Arav can't believe it. His honesty not only returns a wallet, it's changed his life. The moral of the story: honesty is the best policy.